All right, so welcome back to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It's over there. It's not over here. So I'll just say you saw him earlier performing for us. He's one of the most popular DJs of the 90s. Chaka Demus has notched up a string of hits in Jamaica and the world, working on his own and with others. But you know him from Chaka Demus and Pliers, but him there now, album, everything. Morning, Chaka.
Original Chaka, the girl, them maca. Give it to them proper, the bread stopper, the double whopper. Love on the people. Morning.
I can't manage Chaka in here this morning. Chaka, talk to me about, first of all, the longevity of the career. Because, Jamaica, a lot of times we see artists coming up and we say, what? 2 weeks, 2 months gone.
It's simple.
What has made Chaka Demus?
Love the music more than the money.
Love the music more than the money.
It's simple. That's it.
Wow. Profound. Profound. Love the music more than the money.
Definitely.
What inspires the music?
Well, you see, I growing up listening to Demus, Rankin Joe, Rankin Trevor, and all the works. Demus inspire I.
That's the Chaka Demus.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I say, and I listen to Demus and him ride the rhythm. One day I just name myself Demus Jr.
Yes.
And start DJ on a sound named Rose Majestic in a Papine. Good friend of mine by the name of Bull Squash. Tell me, say, boy, your name to change from Demus Jr. to Chaka Demus now because you pass the junior stage.
Yeah.
So inspire Demus inspire the music business and we just love it,
Yeah. How's it been going for you? I mean, I don't think people understand the pairing with Pliers, just how successful you both have been. Movie soundtrack, everything. On the work under the quiet, Chaka.
All over the world see me.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me and Pliers.
Yeah.
Pliers I work with him in next album by himself.
By himself as well. So what took you to this point? Because I know it was by yourself, then you pair up and you pair in a work. But now you're going back to Chaka and this album. Why the solo?
Well, say, me have my own studio now. And me and my son today. And we do some recording. And I reach 6 track.
Wow.
And when I reach the 6 track, I said to myself, say, I one day I feel do a album. I have a virgin by the name of Jazz Crew, telling me, say, I have the 6 track, which is an EP. Him send for send it come give, make him send it go a record company in London named Phoenix Record.
Yeah.
Him send it go give them say them love it, but they want an album. So I just finish the album and Jazz Crew produce half dozen of the track and I produce it. And my son write every track record on my studio.
Your son write them?
Every track.
Oh, nice.
About 13 of the tracks.
Yeah. So your son write them, it have a little contemporary young sound to it.
Of course, man. If you hear the album, man. Tough, man.
Yeah,
man.
Well, we're going to be seeing images of your video up in the one, and you're going to perform that song for us. So what's the first single that you pushed up from the album?
Forward and Pull Up. And the second one is No Money, No Love. That one is doing exceptionally well. Because all women, you have some man where love grown and do want them work hard and let them want woman to mind them.
The man them want woman for man. Oh jeez, Chaka, speak up, Chaka, speak up.
So we are set to the man them say, yo.
Speak up, Chaka, and follow Marvin. Speak
so we are
up.
set to the man them say one and can't clap. Some guys sit down and know say bill for pay, water bill for pay, light bill for pay, food for fine.
Yes.
We know for help out the woman them and
you
stuff.
Want dinner the rice, stuff to wash.
No money, no love.
Me hear your Chaka.
Shop closed.
Oh gosh, you want dinner, water bill.
Nothing for you,
all the rice I go cook it water in the house.
Nothing for you.
Chaka, yeah, speak up the things them. Dad, I wrong morning you come, you should have come on Tuesday. Girl, on Tuesday. Chaka, them a cut you off. The man, them want to hear from you. What are your thoughts about the music industry today?
You have a lot of good youngsters.
Yeah.
Like Chronics.
Yeah. Young Coffee come up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, she special,
Yes.
Christopher Martin.
Yeah.
Romain Virgo. Just to name a few.
So you're proud of the legacy of the music?
Of course, man.
Nice.
Yeah, man. I love to see her go on.
Yeah.
Because some of the youth that were say them popular right now, then we just try to put some message in the music.
All right, now I'm going to be sustainable. What makes it sustainable? Because you have some tune where from you start singing them, everybody just remember them and sing them. Generation singing Chaka and singing
like
Chaka.
Murder Show is a song.
Timeless.
It's a reality song, It's something for real. I get her living in my area. she pretty, but her character dirty. Players have a girlfriend named Maxine. She says she very lady and you can't see no very lady at home. That means I'm that she wrote.
So it won't go write a tune for Maxi. Yeah.
So it's
I'm
so
going to take it as a warning. Any artist tell me say love me, I say no sir. I don't want to feature and a song for you. I don't pay Maxi some money.
Maxine. Yeah, man, so players write film, players do film tune by himself in the murder she wrote.
Are you the years?
By myself.
And then the
I would just combine the two songs together. Magic.
Her beauty is like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about Max,
you just say I don't know what I
you
know.
just say I don't know what I know.
Easy singer, man. Big up yourself.
No, Chaka kill me here this morning. Chaka, so where can people, I mean, I know you tour. I know you tour. People all over the world still longing to see Chaka there, Chaka music. But locally, where can we expect to see Chaka, man?
Well, right now, I'm going to promote this album. Right now, we don't think I'm going to do a tour for the rest of the year, more than 1 and 2 little things.
Yeah.
Next year, we're going to just launch out and do a tour.
Yeah, but for now, Jamaican people can just look out for Chaka.
Promotion, interview, promotion, all over.
Yeah. If you never had music or to do music, what would Chaka do? Have you ever thought about that?
I think you better, ask God that.
Yeah, because you're born for do this. But never thought of doing anything else.
Without the right, but, you know.
Never thought of doing anything else but the music.
No, I just, like Jah just said, really that.
Yeah. Is that the key to it that the focus is the music and I'm focusing on the music? And you said it, you say you love the music more than money. Yeah. That you put the love of it into the music.
First.
Yeah.
Because I never know somebody get paid for music.
For music.
First, some man give me $30 for DJ, when I ask him, where you give me for? So you pay me for talk? No, me never talk. I not stop talk. You go give me $30 for talk in the 80s, early 80s.
What? No.
Then Jammies go call me and give me $60 advance.
No,
$60.
No, man.
$60.
No, man.
I say, well, Jammies give me $60 advance. I went to talk till a week.
Well, I'm glad you're still talking. Born John Taylor in West Kingston. A whole heap of music come out of West Kingston, you know.
Yeah, man. Blackie Huro.
Yeah.
Junior Reid.
Yeah.
Half Pine.
Yeah.
Yes. Just to name a few.
Just to name a few.
Rankin Trevor.
Yeah, man.
Chaka Demus.
Yeah, man. West Kingston have it. Him well one performing, you see me, the energy I get him, you know. Energy I get him. Me light him up a while ago. So the energy I get him want to go. What's the name of the album? Success. Wonderfully titled, Success. So, that's Chaka, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, the girl, them Maka.
The girl, them, no, me not know.
Give it to them proper.
The girl, them Maka.
Bed stopper, double whopper.
Yeah.
Send it off for the monitor.
Chaka, me and you going to talk about that title when we come off of the ear.
All right, bless up.
We're going to talk about it. Nice, man. I mean, if I list all the things that Chaka has done, whole heap of achievements. We really are happy and proud to be sitting with you on Smile Jamaica this morning because you are what you said, Prince? Me have a director there, yes, man.
Tell him no money, no love.
I'm going to send him come DJ to you.
No money, no love for you, no brother.
Oh, gosh, man. Chaka, you could have stayed your whole morning. At the right man, you just give a message there. Chaka. Prince, anything you want to say after that? Chaka come here with a message. Glory. Yeah, Chaka, I want to cut you off right here now.
Let go on, man. It can't cut my mouth.
Can't cut you. Can't cut you. The girls, them are back here, Chaka. No money, no love. Water bill have to pay if the rice I go wash and cook. No so, Chaka? And you want to arrange to cook them chicken, like bill have to pay. Me like it. Chaka, that song you go sell. Oh.
The Woman Them National Anthem.
Woman Them National Anthem. Brought to you by Chaka. I'm going to perform it for you a little bit later on. Wonderful having you. Wonderful having you. After the break, the not so sweet side of sugar in 10 minutes to your health. But stay with us. Chaka still got the Woman Them Anthem. No money, no.
Love.
See it there, Chaks. Chaks.